Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model Y at home. First, let's explore the different charging options available to you. You have three main levels for home charging, each offering varying speeds and installation requirements. Understanding these will help you choose the best setup for your lifestyle and driving habits, ensuring your Model Y is always ready for the road. Level 1 charging is the simplest option, using a standard 120-volt wall outlet. It's perfect for topping off your battery overnight or if you don't drive long distances daily. While it only adds about 2 to 4 miles of range per hour, it requires no special installation. Just plug in your mobile connector and you're good to go, making it incredibly convenient. For significantly faster charging, Level 2 is your best bet. You can install a Tesla wall connector, which provides up to 44 miles of range per hour. Alternatively, a NEMA 14-50 outlet, used with your mobile connector, offers up to 30 miles per hour. Both options require a 240-volt circuit and professional installation for safety and optimal performance. To optimize your home charging experience, consider a few smart tips. Schedule charging during off-peak electricity hours to save money, as rates are often lower then. Also, setting your daily charge limit to 80% or 90% helps preserve your battery's long-term health. Finally, use the Tesla mobile app to monitor and control your charging from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.